Alright, welcome to Unit 9, Lesson 3, More Cost of Running a Restaurant. So first section we're going to talk about for question 1 and question 2 is going to deal with these graphs right here. And on these graphs we're going to talk about a sample of full service restaurants and a sample of fast food restaurants. So how many customers did the full service restaurant serve? Full service meaning sit down restaurant. Okay, so how many customers did each one? So each dot will represent one restaurant that served that many customers. This one is for fast food. So the first question is, how does the average number of customers served per day at a full service restaurant generally compare to the number served at a fast food restaurant? So do full service serve more or less than fast food each day? Explain your reasoning through these graphs. Question 2. About how many customers do you think your restaurant is going to serve per day? I'm going to move down to 3, and 3 has a couple parts to it. So 3, here are the prices for plates and forks. Okay. And question A says, using your predicted number of customers per day from the previous question, so from question 2, write an equation for the total cost D of using disposable plates and forks for every customer in N days. Alright, so we gotta do some math. So let's bring it over here, and what we gotta do is we know that plates cost $12.50 for 165 plates. So if we take $12.50 and we divide it by 165, we're going to get an answer of how much each plate cost. And then we can do the same thing for forks. So we have $10 for 600 forks. And we'll get an answer right here. And what we're going to do with those answers, and we're going to take that and we're going to multiply that by the number of customers that we predict. And that's going to also give us another answer. And these answers will help us write our equation. Okay, so what we have for our equation is D, the total amount for the disposable forks and plates, will equal this number that we got from our plates plus the number we got from our forks. We'll add those together to get us a number right here. And multiply that by N days. And there is our equation. Okay, so each one of you has your own equation. Bam. I'm going to put that equation right here in question A. Then we're going to answer this question here, D or B. Is D proportional to N? What do we know about proportional relationships? Well, we know that they have to be a straight line, and we know they have to go through 0, 0. So is this a proportional relationship? Then we move down to C. Use your equation to predict the cost of using disposable plates and forks for 1 year. Alright, well, let's go over here back to our equation really quick. Well, how many days are in a year? Well, there are 365 days in a year. 365 days. So we're going to replace the N with 365, and we're going to solve for D.